Musevini is a chronical liar. Now here is a man accusing us of the things that he actually does. You all know that he ferries crowds, and when he can't ferry them, he orders school head teachers, primary or secondary, to forcefully bring the pupils or students in his rally venues and dress them in yellow t-shirts. You've seen that everywhere. And even when they go there, they're not allowed to leave, not even for a short call, because he has to posture. You also know that the police and military has been closing roads on us, and where we've been allowed to pass. Not more than 5 cars are always allowed to pass. So how are we transporting crowds? You notice that the police and military, even when we are moving in the dusty roads where they allow us to pass, they always stop borders from following us. You have been following. Every roadblock is meant to stop supporters, borders, who we don't even know where they're coming from, but they are joining us as a show of solidarity. They stop them in order to deny us crowds. But because he knows that everywhere we reach, there are crowds of people that are yearning for a message of a new Uganda. So, like I said earlier, I don't want to be in the business of exchanging accusations with General Musevini. In our culture, we are taught to respect elders even when they don't respect themselves. Thank you.